I just lost a bar fight with Buddy.
What's on your face?
I got in a bar fight with Buddy.
I was just standing here watching some grapes to give to our chickens before they go to bed. And our 3 newest chicks that are just old enough to be out with the others are all 3 roosting up on the top of the chicken coop fence. And if they do that, they're all going to get killed tonight. What's on your face?
I got in a bar fight with Buddy.
Oh my god. They're going to get killed by owls, so we got to go save them now. We don't want them to land in the pig pen because the pigs will get aggressive because I have food.
Where are they?
They're up on the roosting bar. But if you knock them that way,
Oh, I've got those down.
if you go that way, you can see them.
They look.
Are they cute?
They look classic.
Oh, Charlotte woke up out of her slumber. Do you smell grapes? Look what I got, Charlotte. A grape.
She's blind. She's so fat
Charlotte,
that her
don't.
fatness goes over her eyes.
Okay, I've got to save those chickens. I know, Charlotte. These are for everybody else. You can't see what I'm doing. 1, 2, 3. Ready? Get them.
Terrible eye.
Good girl, Charlotte. Let's go again. 1, 2, 3. In the mud. Go find it. Go find it. You find it? Charlotte. Charlotte, I can't give you all the grapes. Here, sweetie. Ready? Oh, go get it.
Gotta
Here,
get some
Opal.
Opal now.
Come on. Opal doesn't like the rain. Here, girls.
That is so cool.
Okay, I gotta get those girls down. Go to bed.
Yeah, that's what they do.
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
So this is Buddy, the fattest one, the white one. He's the boss. He's actually like evil. There will be a video about that, but not yet.
Time for bed. Okay, one more. One more. Night night.